free learning resources, expert guidance, earnings.
At dVidya, we believe learning and teaching should be rewarding for everyone. That's why we've created a collaborative platform where students and teachers come together in live, interactive sessions to learn, guide, and grow.
Student earn from live participation.
Students can connect with some of the best teachers from across the country, right from the comfort of their homes. By actively participating in these sessions, they not only gain valuable knowledge but also earn rewards.
Teachers earn both ways.
Teachers earn for participation in live sessions. They gain visibility, connect with eager learners, get recognition and free promotion through our network. Great opportunity to expand student base, earn more and more.
Publicity and money.
Live video sessions are recorded and shared on our website, creating a growing library of free, high-quality learning content for everyone. Participation is always free, and top contributors, both teachers and students, receive cash rewards for their efforts.
Join, grow and earn.
Whether you're teacher or learner, you become part of the community that values shared knowledge and real-time engagement. Join us. Earn money at every session.
Just fill up particulars.
Just fill up the pop-up form available on any post at dvidya.com. We'll definitely reach you.